Hello, my name is Sami and today I'm going to show you how to make QR code easily in SolidWorks. So let's get to work. So have you always done your QR code? So like you go to the tools, sketch picture. Then you have QR code that you have created somewhere else. You're adding the picture to the SolidWorks, then making the transparency of that picture. And then you are start doing blocks, sketches to the here and copying all the black modules of the QR code. Uh, I have done this, and if you have done it, you know it's going to take a lot of time and effort, and then you can get like something errors from the SolidWorks when there's gap or something those corners here. So let me show you how to do it a little bit or a lot easier. So let's start by doing a sketch. Just make a center rectangle to the origin. Uh, Give it at start 1 millimeter uh, side length and make it square. So make equal command. Now extrude it. Give it 0.05 thickness. Then add point to the middle. And now we're going to use that point to create coordinate system. Let's just choose it again now. And now when we are facing front of this block, we want to make x-axis this and positive side going right and the y-axis down. The z-axis doesn't matter in this case. Now next part is there's a linear pattern and below that is the list of other options. So here's the table driver pattern. Choose it. Okay, now choose it the coordinate system already. Body is the copy, this block we made. And then the part that's going to make the QR code. So browse. And I have now the text file in this folder. QR test name. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna load coordinates, XU coordinates from the text files that I have created earlier. And now it's going to copy those blocks. So you can see it start looking like a QR code. And now we edit the sketch of the original block. And I wanted to make the QR code size so that the physical side length is 30 millimeters, and I have 21 x21 modules in that QR code, so I'm gonna divide it by that, and that's going to give me 1.43 and more decimals there. Okay, and now the scale will put it just on the correct place, and then just hide these, and I now have this, so no edges shaded. And now you have your QR code ready to use in SolidWorks. Don't worry, this is safe. It's gonna take you to finish newspaper page. Yes, .5 FE. And as you can see, this is the model, and you can change the thickness, whatever you want. And now you can example print it. Just add bottom layer there to keep it together. Okay, next I'm gonna show you the part how you're going to create that coordinate table that you need to create this. Okay, let's get to that. Okay, let's check the coordination table creation. So I have now the blank block here, and let's just say that I want to make 35 millimeters wide QR code, and now I know that there will be 33 modules in that QR code because the small one isn't enough for me. Hit OK, and the scale is 1.06. Okay, and now for the table. I have made it the table with help of AI. So I have asked questions how can he do it, or the AI can it do it. And after I get it working, I ask the AI to do me one prompt that will make that always working. So let's copy it here. And at this point, I need to say that I have already used my free account limit, so I cannot get it to do the table for me, but you will get the idea. What this code do? Let's go step by step. So generate QR code from following URL. So you need to put your QR code here, or the URL link. So let's try SolidWorks Maker and paste it here. And then I have asked it to create smallest QR code version that will fit the data what the links has. And to report me after done that which QR code version it used and which is the module grid size, make it 33 as this case it is, and the scale factor as which is your required QR code size. Let's put here the 35, and this will be divided by the module grid, so that is the same 1.06 that in SolidWorks. After that, only the black modules in QR matrix will be calculated to do the coordinates. And always the top left corner of that black module. Yeah, but that doesn't matter. We have now in the center in SolidWorks, but it's not matter. Origin 0.0, X increase to the right, Y increase to the down. Then comes the scaling. Now it will the whole number that it has calculated the coordination. It will multiplies that for the scale factor here and use 6 decimal places. There's some restrictions. Now the text file, one coordinate per line, because that the SolidWorks needs to be that use point as decimal separator for SolidWorks and separated by single tab. No header rows, no anything extra. And then hit just the button and let the IA do its work. And after you get the text file, or it will show you the coordinates, just copy it into text files and save it. Now let's go back to the SolidWorks and then table driven pattern. Choose the .NET system, choose the body to copy, then browse, and in your folder choose here text files, and now I have QR code as web makers. Open, okay, and now it should do the magic and show the track table. Let's just quickly test with the phone. And it's working. Okay, if you like this method to do QR codes in SolidWorks and maybe make prints from them or whatever you want, put it on your product or something. If you like it, please like the video and give comments if you want. Thanks.